Well, everybody, hold on. Well, if you remember, I picked up the Longjiang on a while back, and I had tried playing the thing, and I was really kind of passive when I played it, and so I'm not going to go over the stats on the Longjiang, but here is another battle where things went decidedly better.
Battle starts.
A lot better.
Engine boost activated.
Now you can see by the map, this is the Solomon Islands. Now in this game, I went ahead and pushed in a lot closer than I should have. And if you like the Umakazi, this ship you're probably going to like if you play aggressively. You got to play aggressively to get this thing to work right. I was just too passive last time I tried it. So anybody who's played this map knows if you spawn where I have spawned and push up towards sea, by the time you get up there, the enemy's going to be right on you. And actually that works out really well when you play aggressively. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video.
Good luck, everyone.
That was my new horn. Okay, let's slow down to normal speed. I'm on free look. This is after update 7.0 and all the controls have been changed, so I don't know how to do it. Anyway, if you like the Umakazi, you're probably going to like this ship. One big difference is that these Pan-Asian ships, their torpedoes run so deep. They run so deep you cannot hit any other destroyers. You can only hit the bigger ships. But the bigger ships cannot see you, or cannot see the torpedoes until the torpedoes are on them. In this view it doesn't show it, but I did have locks. Didn't do me any good. He's going to see me at 5.2 kilometers. That's 6.
Engine boost deactivated.
Problem with the torpedoes is they're only 49 knots. 49. Very slow. So I'm out of there. He's seen me. He's shooting at me. I'm popping smoke.
Smoke generator started.
But it's a two-way street. My guys will spot him. Now I do have a lock. You just can't see it in this view. But he's gonna dodge them. He's gonna dodge those, no problem. They're only 49 knots.
Smoke screen set.
So now I'm upset. I'm gonna push in close. 2 full salvos of torps and he missed them. Time to die. There he is. He's seen me, but it's too late. Bye. Yeah. Now that's how you do it. But you gotta be close in.
Our team has taken the lead.
If they're not shooting at you, you can get as close as you want. But once they're shooting at you, you're in trouble. Because you have no armor in this ship. So all the enemy is at B. And I'm going to push in close.
Engine
So I hit the
boost
turbo.
activated.
Now pay attention, boys and girls. You see that battleship in front of me? This is how you lay down a smoke screen. You put it in front of the battleship while the enemies are being spotted by friendlies who are a hell of a lot closer. That way, your battleship can still shoot. Here it comes.
Smoke generator started.
I don't think he really cared, because he turns right into it. Now I did something kind of dumb here. I sent torpedoes in there, and we have friendlies in there. Fortunately, no friendlies get hit.
Engine boost deactivated.
No friendlies get hit. But that's how you turn pink. By wasting a friend. Anyway, the enemy battleship, he's got 5 of us crawling all over him. He's going to be dead soon. You can see I sunk 2, landed 3 torps, captured 1 base, and got some other ribbons too. That's how you play the Longjiang. I have figured that out. You gotta be aggressive in this ship. That's all there is to it, folks. If you liked the Umakazi, you're gonna like this ship. That's it. Stay safe and have fun.